Are you ready to unlock capital for your next big commercial real estate project? Whether you're looking to acquire, refinance, or kickstart a value-add project, Acquire, Scale, and Exit is here to make it happen. For over a decade, ASE's seniors have partnered with the most credible and professional lenders in the commercial real estate space. From insurance companies to private equity groups, we've built strong relationships with institutions you can trust to get deals done. And the best part? We craft solutions tailored specifically to your financing needs. Let's talk options. Need long-term, low-rate, non-recourse debt? We've got you covered. We arrange financing for all types of commercial real estate, be it first mortgages, bridge loans, construction financing, or even complex capital stacks. Now, keep in mind, we don't work with multifamily or syndicated deals, but if you're in the market for other types of properties, we can help you access capital ranging from $1 million to $250 million. If time is of the essence, our bridge loans are designed to keep your projects moving forward. Loan to cost, LTC, up to 75%. Loan to value, LTV, up to 70%. Competitive interest rates 10 to 14% depending on asset class, use of funds, and sponsorship strength. And here's the kicker. Our nationwide coverage focuses on the top 100 markets, with a streamlined 4-week turnaround time for funding. Our bridge loans are perfect for the following: value-add projects along with pre-TCO and TCO takeouts, especially in quick closings when time is critical, and property conversions. We work with B and C class assets and cash outs for liquidity. Regarding property types, we have a plethora of experience from retail spaces to industrial warehouses. Our team ensures you get the right financing solution every time. Our real estate capital sources include industry leaders like Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac to life insurance companies and CMBS lenders. Of course, banks and credit unions, followed by private equity groups and family offices, and hedge funds and SBA programs. With these partners, we're equipped to tackle projects of any size from $1 million to $250 million. At ASE, we don't just provide funding, we provide solutions. Whether you're planning your next acquisition, refinancing an asset, or embarking on a value-add project, our team is ready to help you secure the capital you need to succeed. Ready to take the next step? Contact us today or visit our website to learn more. Let's turn your vision into reality.